Could you please tell us how does Petcore support innovations via EPBP and TCEP towards circularity?
Good afternoon, Maria. Thank you very much for the question. Petcore is the voice and the representative of the PET value chain. And PET is the most circular polymer and the most safe polymer for the consumer use. The business environment and the legislative environment are pushing towards the best quality and safe recyclate. The safety and the quality of recyclate start from the design guidelines. At this point, the platforms start playing their role. For the two platforms, EPBP is the European PET bot platform that has three stakeholders: Petcore Europe, National Mineral Waters, and UNESDA. And TCEP is a trace circularity evaluation platform which is managed by Petcore. Both platforms are starting from the beginning. What it means that they develop the design guidelines for the PET bottles and the PET trays, assuring the safety of the products and the recyclate quality. It is not only a matter of guidelines, but then you need to have the procedures to test and understand what comes in the market as innovation. That's why the platforms has robust protocols evaluating all this innovation. And who evaluates this? Both platforms has top-level expertise, high-caliber expertise that they can understand in big detail, based on information that our applicants share with us, what is launched in the market, and under big confidentiality and a high-level expertise. So in this way, Petcore supports the platforms. EPBP is a 17-year-old platform. TCEP is a 4-year-old platform. Since the beginning, Petcore supports the platforms, and the platforms, through the design guidelines and testing protocols in the interaction with the industry, help support to meet the objectives. And something else very important, both platforms are the main sources of information for CEN standardization project that has taken from the platforms the design guidelines and the testing protocols, incorporated them in a European level.